welcome back to my channel. So, sorry, but I look a little bit different because I got this thing of someone like scratching me at school. Came inside. So guys, if you have this kind of thing, comment down below. And don't forget about that. And so, I'm gonna be showing you how to make mouth noises. We have that at school. So the first one is going high and low. First is going high. That's the first and second. I did first and second. Third is that means you're going down. I did wrong. Let me do it again. I did wrong again. I'll do it again. I did it. Now this one is making like you failed. You failed in this team. Scary Princess. Let me tell you. I did it wrong. I did it wrong again. That's a funny noise. And for this one, it's like you're sad. I don't know how to do that one. Which one should I, guys? Which one should I do, guys? Comment down below in the section. It's down here. So I think I got one. It's let me think. You're like this one. That's really easy to make, but I don't know what it's called. Burping maybe? I don't know. I'll just do a burp. I'm not gonna do every with doing this for my noise. I'm gonna do it with my mouth without that noise. That's a snake sizzling. And a little more. That means it's no. That's a good one, right, guys? I'm gonna make something that has no, and yes with my mouth without talking, like this. That's how I do it, actually, properly. Makeup, bro. Which else did I do? Got it. That I'm saying pillow. I said like that. I said 5. Actually, 6 years old. Only 5.5, and I have a channel. What else should I make? That's so cool. I said mug. I said bug. Sorry to say that, I'm not gonna say mug. I actually said mug was hard to understand. about this one? Mm. That means it's so yummy, like when you say for a hot dog or something. That's what you say. Something's good. I have a lot more to do with these. I'm learning a lot more. Learning like a lot of these sounds, but I can't make them. It's really hard. I'm gonna say my teacher makes the sounds. It's called Mrs. Cumbershiner. That's a funny name. And I have another one called. It's called another teacher called Mr. K. That's a real name. And he is also a principal also. You can come when I'm in first grade. And he's also going to be when I'm in second grade and third grade and fourth grade. He's also going to be in there. The principal. So I have two more than we're done. It's called I said bin. Now we have actually I want to do two more. One more two. Which one? I said peer. I said peer. I said YouTube. So, anyway, bye guys.